Greetings, Mark Bro. We're going to be looking at how we can actually create a simple business card. So for instance, you have a small business, you just want a card with actually issue it and all that. I'm going to show you how you can use template quick and just deal with that right away out of bounds, right? So we want to be looking at is Publisher. This is Microsoft Publisher. If you notice, I have it right here on my taskbar. So I want to click on it. So when you click on it, you notice this is how it open. So I want to come right over here, so I click on the word new, right? So when you click on new, you notice right here, say built-in, you click on that, which some of you one might run straight through, right? If you notice right here, that show your banner, brochure, and notice right here shows the business card, you want to click on that, all right? When you click on that, if you notice right here, that show you all different color business card right here, you notice? That show you all color, I'm going to select this one. Notice it show up right over here, and then I'm going to come right down here and click on word. Good. So definitely, this is what it look like now. So up here, you can just click right here, move this and put in the business name. Right over here, you can put in the address right here by just click and type. Over here, put in the phone number. You can put in the fax. Right here, you can actually put in the email just like that. Down right here, you can actually move this, put where you want, put title. Here, you can put in the organization, you can put in a photo. Right, so this one actually give you a nice design. Right, so if you're not satisfied with this design, you can come back to your right here. So and click, go back to new, go back to the built-in one again, you click. All right, you can click on this one, can create. All right, if you notice, you can give this one just like that. You notice you can make all the adjustment, right? The business name, business address right here, the phone number. You can put photo over here and all of that. Very important. This is how simple you can actually use a template right in Microsoft Publisher to create a simple business card. So go ahead and try it.